Hi there, I'm Jules from STONESOUP.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So everyday pancakes, I've got 70 grams of almond meal, almond flour, and then 30 grams of regular flour in the jug here. If you wanted to do imperial measurements, you want 3.5 ounces, and you can change the ratio of the flours. It doesn't matter so much, but about 2/3 to 1/3. And then I've got 2 eggs, and we'll get 50 grams of milk, 2 ounces. And if you want to keep it dairy-free, you could just use water or whatever your favorite dairy-free milk is. It doesn't matter too much. It's more about getting liquid. And then I just give this a whisk with my little mini pancake whisk because I make these every day. So I have a little whisk that just fits this jug. And I like to whisk it now because I find if you whisk it when it's quite thick like this, it's easier to get the lumps out. But you could just stir with a spoon if you don't have a mini whisk. And then we're adding 100 grams, 3.5 ounces water. It's a little bit over, but it's okay. And again, stir till you have a nice smooth batter. And if you like a thinner pancake, you can add more liquid to make make the mixture, the batter runnier, and that will give you thinner pancakes. Or you can just play around with it. It's up to you. Great, so I've got this pan I've actually cook it on a high heat because I'm normally in a hurry when I'm cooking my pancakes, but medium high is probably a bit bit less risky. So then I just get a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan and just use the paper towel to spread the oil out in a nice thin layer. And you can see it's just starting to smoke, so we get our pancake mixture in. I just want to pour a big dollop in, so about 1/5 of the mixture. I usually make 5 pancakes from this. And then we just let it cook. So after somewhere between 1 and 2 minutes, depending on how hot your pan is, the mixture will start to look sad, and you'll get some kind of bubbles forming, little craters, little holes. So then I just get a spatula and I just use it to lift it up at the side and slide it underneath and turn it over. And usually give it about 30 seconds on the second side. And then just repeat until all the mixture's used up. So yeah, I usually make about 5 pancakes from this batch. But sometimes I make thick ones and just do 4, and sometimes I make super thin ones and do 6. So it's really up to you to play around. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.